How to download and install Windows 11. Part 1. Downloading Windows 11 that meets your PC. 1.1 Visit this link to start generating a Windows 11 build for x64 based processors, Intel or AMD. https://uup.net/selectlang.php?id =E0124640-2C1E-4C3659051-C3905-1-CAA99FF6F213. 1.2 This one at //uupdump.net/selectlang.php?id F0B09600514B1-424D-AA85-379CCF6E40C3 is placed for ARM-based processors. 2. Download a Windows 11 Insider Preview ISO via Duck Windows Insider Downloads page. 3. Creating installation media via Rufus. Part 2. Installing Windows 11 on your PC. Warning, please do back up your data first. When your USB installation media plugged in, complete these steps. 2.1.1 Go to Settings Update and Security Recovery. 2.1.2 Choose Restart Now under Advanced Startup. 2.1.3 Choose EFI USB device. 2.2. Installing Windows 11, following the on-screen wizards and complete the installation of Windows 11.